Good day, everyone. The topic we are going to discuss today is backbiting. What is backbiting? Backbiting refers to speaking negatively or saying unkind things about someone behind their back, often with the intention of damaging the reputation or relationship. It can be harmful and damaging to both the person being talked about the relationship involved. Backbiting can take away forms including gossiping about someone's personal life or mistakes, spreading rumors or false information, criticizing or mocking someone's appearance, behavior, or accomplishment. Backbiting can have negative consequences such as damaging relationship and trust, creating a toxic environment, hurting people's feelings and esteem. It's essential to be mindful of our words or actions and to strive for kindness, empathy, and respect in our interaction with others. Backbiting is like spreading whispers about someone's behind their back. It's when you talk negatively about someone who's not there to defend themselves. This can hurt feelings, damage relationships, and create mistrust. Imagine someone sharing secrets or criticizing someone else without giving them a chance to respond. That's backbiting. It's the act of speaking negatively about someone's back, often with the intention of damaging the reputation or relationship. It can take many forms, including gossiping, spreading rumors, or criticizing someone's appearance, behaviors, or accomplishments. Backbiting can be hurtful and damaging to both the persons being talked about the relationships involved. When someone engages in backbiting, they may feel like they're sharing a secret or bonding with others, but in reality, they're often causing harm and eroding trust. Backbiting can create a toxic environment when people feel like they can't be themselves or trust others. The consequence of backbiting can be severe. It can damage relationship, hurt people's feelings, and even affect one's reputation. More often, backbiting can also reflect poorly on the persons doing the talking, making them appear untrustworthy or mean-spirited. To avoid backbiting, it's essential to practice empathy and kindness when talking about others. Ask yourself if you would say the same things to their face. Focus on positive and constructive conversation and try to understand where others are coming from. By doing so, you can build a stronger, more meaningful relationship and create a more supportive and respectful environment. Ultimate backbiting is a habit that can be broken with self-awareness, empathy, and a commitment to kindness. By choosing to speak positively and constructively about others, you can build trust, strength, relationship, and create a more positive and supportive community. That's all. Thank you.